we've got some new plants. We've actually got 2 new fruit trees, so I'm going to put them inside until I get a chance to take them out of their box. Finally getting to open up the plants that were delivered yesterday. It was just so miserable. I really could not be bothered to get out and open them. So I decided to leave it till today. Didn't think an extra night would hurt them. We weren't actually expecting them to arrive until next week. Right. Well, I've got 2 plants. I think I'm going to put them up on the table. Slide them out. Doesn't move during transport, that's for sure. Well, I'll definitely give credit to the nursery. They've definitely wrapped these really well. I've got a bucket of water here and I'll be just putting the cherry in to make sure that any sawdust that it's wrapped in, seeing as it's a bare root plant, is washed off. And it looks like it's in bark. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's in coir Oh, that definitely all needs to come off the roots. Well, it certainly looks like it's got a nice lot of roots on it. I've got some fresh potting mix to put in here. I have to raise it up to see how much space I need for the roots. They're pretty decent. I should cut a couple off, but that's pretty nice. And obviously I wanted that graft there well above the surface of the pot. I'm just going to have a quick look. I think I'm going to cut that one off. Maybe some of these slightly longer ones. All in all, looks pretty good. Get that all off. And yeah, I think that's pretty good. I'll just try and get this thing where I've got the roots a bit spread out, but sitting on top of a little mound of soil. It's just a matter of trying to make sure that all that soil is in the roots and there's not any air gaps. This one is in a plastic sleeve, so I still will need to get it into a pot, but it's a bit easier than the bare rooted one. It's just a matter of getting some soil into a pot and just giving it a bit more space. Now, this one we are planning on espaliering, although at the moment barely looks like a candidate for it. Ichikiki Jiro, good Japanese name. And this is a persimmon that I believe you can eat. It's non-astringent, so you can actually just eat it straight from the tree. But of course the thing is, we want to make dried persimmons from it as well, which is also possible with this variety, although the astringent ones are generally considered to be better for that purpose. Anyway, not a problem. This is also a dwarf one, which is one of the other reasons we got it. We didn't really want to be dealing with giant fruit trees in the garden. When I first moved here, there were a lot of fruit trees that were way too big, and it's fine for the tree. I mean, the tree grows and the fruit's lovely, but in terms of usability, it becomes pretty well impossible to pick the fruit, so it becomes pointless having a fruit tree that you can't pick the fruit. So the only one of those trees that's left is the nectarine. Several of them had intractable insect problems, so I didn't keep them for that reason. I was very sad to lose my quince trees, but they were absolutely riddled with codling moth, and they really weren't in a position to be saved. Yeah, so this one's pretty much just going straight into the pot. It's still got fertiliser in it. Just need to adjust the pot height. I think I've got a bit too much soil in there at the moment. And again, this is a temporary measure. This should be going in to the ground reasonably quickly. That's a plan at least. We certainly don't want to keep things that we're planning on espaliering out in pots for a long period of time. Thanks very much for joining us. It's great to see you here, and I'm looking forward to catching up with you again sometime in the not too distant future.